A one-day workshop on enhancing mineral exploration organized by the Government of Meghalaya's Directorate of Mineral Resources was held at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. While addressing during the program, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma spoke about the 2014 coal mining ban and highlighted how it abruptly disrupted the livelihoods of hundreds of thousands of families in the state. He expressed that while environmental issues were important, the ban imposed without sufficient transition time had a huge economic impact on the state and its people. He also released the state geological and mineral map of Meghalaya and launched the Mineral Management and Development Portal.
There was an immediate ban. So you can imagine when 2 lakh, 3 lakh families that depend on minings like this are suddenly told that you can't do it. It's a huge economic impact for the state and the people. Whether it's right or wrong is not the question I'm trying to answer. All I'm saying is that can we simply just snatch away the livelihood of the people without giving them, as we call it, just transition? We also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology.
Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo on Tuesday stated